I'm going to speak with you a little bit about purchasing and owning a pet turtle.